Let's look at an ultimate storage and transportation solution for industries ranging from food and beverage to pharmaceuticals and manufacturing. The plastic pallet box, made from high-quality virgin PP material. This box is sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand the toughest of environments. With four-way entry, the plastic pallet box can be easily lifted and transported using forklifts or pallet jacks, making it convenient and versatile. The mesh panel and bottom are moisture-proof and ventilated, ensuring the contents remain fresh and dry. The bottom rib design adds to the stability and load capacity of the box, allowing it to hold heavy items with ease. The plastic pallet box is designed to be foldable, with a height that reduces to just 1/3 of its original height after folding. The box is also stackable with a reserved stacking position, ensuring efficient use of storage space.